Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing something super exciting. We are going to do a full face using Shop Miss A products. They have all beauty products, makeup products, and they're all about $1. Obviously, there's some $5 to $10 things on there, but generally speaking, everything is $1. The way I found out about this website was actually from one of you guys. One of you recommended me trying out Shop Miss A. They were kind enough to give me $35 worth of products to do a full face tutorial here, which is what we're going to be doing today. And also, this part I'm super excited about. Shop Miss A was kind enough to give one of you guys a summer giveaway box. So they gave me this entire thing right here. I'm going to just insert a photo right here of all the products. They're also going to be on my Instagram so you guys can see. And this is just for you guys to enter and hopefully win, which was super awesome. Overall, I really like the way this look turned out. I mean, I'm shocked. I had so much fun filming this. It was such a challenge, but so much fun. If you guys want to see how I test out all these new $1 products that I picked up, definitely keep on watching. I am going to be going out later, so hopefully this whole look turns out really well. I'm going to go in with this foundation that I picked up. I actually only got one, which is very risky because the ones that I wanted to try out were all sold out. So this is by Santee, I believe, and this is the Complete Coverage Natural Finish Foundation. I got this one in the shade 3. It was really hard picking out the shades on the website. The colors were kind of like hard to tell like if they would match me or not, but I just went for it. So put a little bit of this on the back of my hand here. This looks super pink, so I don't even know if this is probably not going to match me, but let's just give it a shot. It's really, really thick as well. All right, so this is definitely not my shade at all. It's really pink. As you guys can tell the difference between my face and my chest. It does feel moisturizing, but it looks like full coverage. Completely forgot that I got a primer. This is the Perfecting Blur Primer. This is by AOA. So I'm going to apply this just kind of like in the T-zone area. Feels super moisturizing. Actually, since we already put foundation on this side, I'm not going to touch that side. So this primer has like little specks of glitter in it, but you can't really see them once you apply it to your skin. It feels really cooling on the skin too. It feels really good. I think we're just going to go in with the rest of the foundation. I don't know, I feel like with the warmth of my skin, it like changed the color of it a little bit. So let's just give it a shot. But you guys can tell how it's like really, really light. It smells really good though. All of these products were only $1, which is crazy. So if you're on a budget and you want to like experiment with makeup or different makeup products, this would be a good place to start. It does feel like full coverage, but it's actually, I want to say medium coverage because I still feel like I see like some redness and like this pimple right here, I can still see it peeking through. It's kind of natural. It's not super natural, you know what I'm saying? But it's kind of natural. So for concealer, I got two kinds. The first one is a 2-in-1 concealer and foundation. This is also by Santee, and this is the AOA Studio brand. This is the Wonder Cover Concealer. So this one is in the shade beige, and this one is in the shade nude. This brand, Santee, is also cruelty-free, which is really cool. So let's just start with this one and see kind of what this looks like. It looks super peachy and kind of dark. It actually looks like it's a good color on camera, but in person it's really, really peachy. So we're just, like I said, we're gonna go with it. I think the other concealer I got is really light. Maybe I can kind of pile them onto each other. Also like going kind of like around the mouth. On top of that, I'm gonna put a little bit of this other concealer and foundation. It's super light, almost too light for me, so I feel like mixing these two together might give us like a really good shade. And it's really thick, but we're just gonna roll with it, girl. Because it feels a little thick on the skin, I'm actually gonna use my Real Techniques setting brush with the MAC Fix Plus. Just gonna wet that a little bit just so this doesn't set so fast on my skin. We're just gonna blend it out and see what it looks like. These concealers feel really, really hydrating on the skin, which is a plus. And they're also giving me super full coverage. I don't even see my dark circles at all, which is crazy to me. You know, when you're trying $1 products, your expectations, I feel like, are pretty low because like, oh, well, it's so cheap. There's no way this could look good on my skin. But honestly, look how much coverage that's giving. It's also super dewy. But I gotta say, even though it's full coverage, it does feel really like thick on the skin. So you're gonna look like you're wearing, you know, a full coverage concealer. If that's what you want, then that's perfect. So before we set the under eye, I'm actually going to go in with this contour stick. This is a Sculpt Effects by AOA Studio. It's super mini and cute, and this is in the shade Latte, so I feel like I actually picked out a pretty good color with this. I'm excited to see how it blends out, so we're just going to go in with this bad boy. And I also really like that it's a stick, because I feel like this is going to be easy to travel with, easy to apply. The color looks amazing so far. I really hope that it blends out really well. We're gonna go in with that same foundation brush and just blend this out. So far, I like the way it's blending. I feel like this might be my favorite product so far. And for $1, you literally can't beat that. I mean, I feel like Wet n Wild doesn't even sell their contour sticks for $1, which is crazy. Wow, looks really natural, but like just the right amount of color. It's blending out super easy, as you guys can tell. I'm gonna use a smaller brush just to blend out the nose contour. Contour stick is on fleek. I like the way it looks. I've been like obsessing over cream products lately, especially when it comes to blush, and this one just looked really nice. This is a Cheek and Stick by Muse, and it's like an orange shade, and I know this looks super orange at first. We're just gonna apply it, and I'm gonna go in with the same concealer brush and just kind of blend it out. Wow, I like how natural that looks. This color really isn't as intense as it looks when you first open it up, because here it looks super orange, but on the skin it just gives like the right amount of glow. So peachy, I love it. Definitely a huge thumbs up for the blush and the contour stick. So now we're gonna go ahead and set the eyes. I also got this AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder. This is in the shade Banana. I'm gonna just use my e.l.f. blush brush to press into here. This is super powdery. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like getting everywhere. But I'm just going to tap my brush off. All right, not so bad. I feel like this is setting the skin so nice. It's giving a really matte, like airbrushed look. Definitely impressed, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't get eyeshadow, so never mind. We're not gonna be doing eyeshadow. We're gonna go in with this beautiful blush right here. This is in Golden Apricot, and it just looks so beautiful. There's literally purple in there, gold, rose gold. Oh my God, it just looks stunning. So I'm actually gonna take it on this e.l.f. fan brush, which I usually don't do, but I just feel like using a fan brush. So I feel like this would be great as just like a highlighter, but it is really stunning. I do like the way it looks. I just feel like I might have applied too much on that first try, but it does look really nice. To top that off, we're gonna be going in with the highlighter. This is in the shade Snap, and I also got this brush by them. I think this is a highlighter brush, so I'm just gonna go in there with this brush and give it a shot. I'm not even sure if I'm picking anything up. Yeah, I feel like that definitely didn't pick anything up. So let's try the fan brush again. I'm not really getting much payoff from this at all, and I just tried brushing my finger, and like you guys can tell that there is definitely some shimmer there, but I don't know. Let me try putting a little bit of Fix Plus on my brush. Let's see if this gives us any payoff. Okay. Oh yeah. It's much better with a little bit of Fix Plus. This is a baked powder, so I don't know if that is why, but as you guys can tell, with the fan brush and the MAC Fix Plus, it looks so much better. That's actually really nice. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you guys, I also got this Muse Cosmetics highlighter. Looks like this. This is in the shade, it just says highlighter. So let's just try this as well, you know, why not? We're already going for it, so let's just top this off. And you guys can see like how dewy that looks. This one looks really, really stunning. And of course, when I was applying it, my camera shut off. So yeah, no. I'm really impressed that this whole face so far is $1 products. That's crazy to me. So we're gonna go in and do the brows just because I feel like I can't move on unless my brows are done. So I'm gonna be using this Sculpting Brow Pencil by AOA Studio. So this is in medium brown. This literally looks like the Anastasia brow pencil, the thicker one. I actually have really high hopes for this brush, so let's just, you know, pray. Pray to the brow gods that this looks really good. And I'm so happy it has a spoolie. If this thing works really well for $1, you bet I'm ordering like 1 million of these. The shade is a little bit too warm for my color, but that's okay. You know, I can just try a different shade. But so far, I'm really, really impressed with the way this looks on my brows. I feel like my brows look way too dark right now, but we're gonna fix that with a little bit of eyeshadow and like adding a little bit something on the eyes. So because I didn't buy any eyeshadow from Shop Miss A, I'm just gonna grab a palette from here. Just gonna go with the Aspen Ovard Tarte palette. Now that we have something else going on in the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the AOA Studio Wonder Liquid Eyeliner. This is just in black, and I'm excited to try this because I always love trying new liquid eyeliners just because I feel like those are really hard to find, especially like a really good one. Okay, I really don't mind the fact that it's really fine because I feel like I got a really good sharp point with this tip, which is nice. It does smell a little like chemicals, which I don't like. So one of the main reasons I was really excited to try this brand was because of these lashes. I actually bought 2 packs. These are about $5, I believe, for the entire pack, and there's 6 pairs of lashes in each one, which is amazing. And today I want to try out the Scarlet. The Scarlet are very similar to the Ardell lashes where they're wispy, they have a really thin band. The Alexis are a lot more intense and dramatic, and even though I like this, I have really small eyes, so I feel like I can't put a lash like this on, unfortunately. So before we do that, I'm gonna apply some mascara to my lashes using this cool device here. It's not in English, so I don't even know what it's called, but it's basically for mascara. So I think the way you're supposed to use it is when you're applying like lower lash mascara, you kind of just hold it up here and apply that, and what this does is it makes sure that your mascara is not going to transfer onto your skin, which is actually really convenient. I'm just going to hold it like this. All right, not bad. What I kind of like about this too is that the way you apply it, it separates your lashes really nice as well. So I really like that. Okay, not bad. I think it did a great job. It wasn't hard to apply, and I feel like it also made my lashes look a lot more even. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Scarlet lashes like I said earlier. Okay, they look pretty natural. Before we're gonna go ahead and apply the lipstick, I did wanna try this Sugar Lip Scrub. This is 043 Honey. So I'm just gonna apply this to the lips, kind of moisturize them a little bit, exfoliate them. This feels so good. There's these like little beads in here. I feel like it's probably sugar. I'm tempted to kind of just lick my lips right now. I like how this is like in a tube, because you guys know how these lip scrubs usually come in a jar and you have to dip your finger in there and all that. Like this, you can straight up just apply to your lips and wash off. So I actually have a makeup remover wipe I already used here, so I'm just gonna use that to kind of wipe that off. My lips do feel really, really soft, so this is a huge plus. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's just see what this color looks like. This is in the shade Fleek, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this in the center of my lips, see if I feel like I need a lip liner, because most likely I will. So I'm gonna go in with the MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. All right, I like this color. If you're into nudes, I feel like this will totally be up your alley. This is the complete look. This is a full face using only Shop Miss A products. I gotta say, I'm totally impressed right now. This is all $1 products, literally. And I have about $35 worth of products here, and I didn't even use all 35 products, is what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Let me know what you guys wanna see next, and I will see you in my next video. So I quickly want to mention the rules for this giveaway. I didn't want to just include this giveaway on YouTube. I felt like I really wanted to make it Instagram as well as YouTube, just to make it a lot bigger. Basically, what you're gonna have to do, if you just want to enter here on YouTube, all you have to do is like this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and you can comment anything that you'd like down below. If you're entering on Instagram, I'm gonna link my Instagram account right down below. It's just at Elle Levi, and all you have to do is on this post, I'm gonna be posting a picture of all these goodies. All you have to do is go follow Shop Miss A, make sure you're following me at Elle Levi, tag 3 friends that you think would love to win this box. And I'm not sure how long I'm gonna be leaving this giveaway open, maybe a week. Regardless, just check the down bar and all the information you need is going to be down there. And yeah, so good luck to you guys. You guys can enter as many times as you like. You can enter both on Instagram and YouTube. If you do both, you have a bigger chance, obviously. I'm just really excited to give one of you guys this box at least. So